Hello, this is Toyota Tyler from Heyward Allen Toyota. We're located in Athens, Georgia. Today I have with me a 2015 RX 350. This puppy's got the features. It's got front parking sensors, rear parking sensors, fog lights, alloy rims. They look great, by the way. A lot of chrome, but not too much. This vehicle hasn't even been cleaned up yet, but I wanted to take the video now because you can just tell how well the vehicle was kept up. You have rear vents back here in the back. Let's walk around here. You also have a power lift gate. So press the button, this tailgate's lift gate's opening up. Got a cargo shade. You can hide whatever you're doing back here. Really convenient if you're going shopping at an outlet. Memory seats, heated seats, ventilated seats. You're going to use those ventilated seats a lot here in Georgia, the South in general. You do have 3 presets for garage door. Like I said, you could just tell the vehicle was kept in extremely good condition. And like I said, the vehicle hasn't even been cleaned up yet. Just wait. Beautiful. Love to help you out. Answer any other questions you may have as far as price and mileage and, ownership, Carfax, etc. Everything seems to be checking out great so far. So, want to hear from you guys. Let me know if you like it. Thank you.